All right, today we are starting with stories. Stories will be much better for you because you can't get them wrong. But you do have to do it this way. Click on your story. And start off with start off in the first row. They're the easiest stories. It has a word. I don't know what that word is, so I hit the button.
Bonjour.
I can also click on it so that it says it in English. Good morning. This is what you should do. Go over the words so you see them in English.
Bonjour, Pretty.
Good morning. Pretty. Looks like that's her name. It's a girl's name.
Salut, mon chéri.
Mine's had it set up for something different, but you'll see this. Also, salut in French. I'm sorry, I'm doing French. My darling.
Où sont mes clés?
Where are my keys? Uh-oh, so the story's about her keys.
Tes clés.
I think clés is keys. Yeah, your keys?
Oui, les clés de ma voiture.
Couldn't hear.
Oui, les clés de ma voiture.
It was we? Les Claire?
Oui, les clés de ma voiture.
Les Claire. Notice I got this one wrong, but my green didn't change. You're gonna like the stories because it'll never take away your green.
Elles sont où?
Okay, so that's what it is. Because of that, we're gonna go by time today. By time. We need to do 15 minutes of work. And then you'll have 15 minutes of free time. Well, actually, this video probably took 2 minutes. So you'll have 13 minutes of free time. Just keep working for 13 minutes, and then you'll be able to sit with friends and have free time.